like she's hurting me, right? And that doesn't hurt either.
Stop. Can you stop? But does it hurt? Can you stop really stop?
You're such a hypocrite.
Bruce.
You're such a hypocrite. Like, she says for me to stop, and then she gets up and she does it.
No, you pulled me on your... On her bed.
On her bed?
I'm gonna be so bruised by one gym.
Good.
You're so mean.
You're the one starting.
You're attacking me, okay? Keep it
Natalie. Am I the one attacking her?
I don't know, I have evidence.
Exactly. You can see in the fucking video that you're the one doing all the attacking, and I'm just defending myself. Right now. Are you done? See?